Computers change the way we live. What comes next? What will be the next technology that will power our future? Quantum computing. It will revolutionize technology. But how can you take the next step? Introducing Black Opal, an interactive learning platform for quantum computing. Designed by the expert team at Q-CTRL, Black Opal allows you to learn fundamental quantum concepts, practice your skills, and have fun learning with others like you. Whether you're an engineer, software developer, or a business preparing for the future, Black Opal makes learning quantum computing easier through animated and interactive content. Black Opal will work around your schedule, allowing you to complete hands-on tasks in just minutes per day. And because innovation is collaborative, Black Opal connects you with a community of peers so you can learn together. Black Opal. Find out what comes next and begin your quantum journey today.